Good morning, everybody, and welcome to a different area in my house, which you guys have really never watched me in before, my kitchen. So yes, today we're going to be baking something that I absolutely love. It was my mama's recipe, but it's tweaked by me since I don't eat sugar, a lot of sugar I should say. So today we're going to be making, I call it mama's banana bread. One of the ovens is preheated. It's delicious, it's easy, it's low calorie, it's low sugar, and it's a complete indulgence. It's delicious. So if you guys want an amazing banana bread, stick here with me. We're gonna bake it together. I'm gonna show you all the ingredients. There's the other oven, because I'm gonna make 2 loaves. One loaf I'm gonna make with chocolate chips, and the other without, because Randy prefers without chocolate chips. Reed and I like the chocolate chips. So, okay, let me just show you what's in the ingredients. So it kind of might look a little bit overwhelming if you're not really into baking and cooking, but it's really not that hard at all. Of course, the main ingredient is bananas. And yes, folks, they've got to look like this or even more ripe if you can get it more ripe. It's got to be at that point where you don't even want to eat them anymore. So we have 5 bananas here. Of course, your pot spray for your little bread pans. I've got, let's see, I have 1 3/4 cup of Splenda. If you want to use real sugar, you can, but I use Splenda. I have a 1/2 cup of butter, which I have to melt. I have baking soda, baking powder, salt. This right here is a little mix of cinnamon and Splenda. I have 2 cups of flour, 2 eggs, some ground cinnamon, and I'll do all the measurements for you as we go. And then I got the Nestle's Toll House dark chocolate morsels. And yeah, that is all you're gonna basically need for the ingredients. So let's just get started. Okay, so first thing I forgot to mention is make sure you preheat your oven or ovens to 325. Then what you're gonna wanna do is take your bananas, and if you can't handle seeing people do this with fresh, clean hands, and you know, some people get very discouraged because you're doing it with hands, but I cook with my hands. I don't know many people that don't, but there are people that come on and say, oh my God, I can't believe you are using your hands to cook. So yes, folks, I use my hands, and believe it or not, they're clean. So just peel these stinky things and put them in your bowl like so. Phew, stinky bananas, you know? The reason why I say I tweaked my recipe is 1, because I'm not using real sugar. 2, my mom's recipe called for 3 bananas, but I put 5 because I just like my bread to be a little bit more moist. I don't like a dry type of banana bread. Mine comes out very moist, so that's why you'll see me putting more banana, bruises and all, you guys, because believe it or not, it makes it sweeter. The older the banana, the sweeter the bread. Okay, so now that the bananas are put in, you're going to add your Splenda. Okay, so here it is, which is 2 3/4 cup of Splenda or sugar, whichever you like. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and turn this off while I mix it all up, and I'll be right back. So what you're gonna do is just mix the heck out of it until it becomes a sauce. Okay, so oops, sorry there guys. Sorry, hold on, let me get my camera set here so you don't fall over. Okay, so after your mix, after you've stirred it all up, it's gonna look like a sauce. This is only the banana and the Splenda, and you're gonna let it sit for, I'd say 10 minutes or so. And while it's sitting, you're going to add the remaining ingredients into your big stirring bowl. And what that's going to consist of is, let's see, we're going to do the flour, which is 2 cups of flour. And we're going to use 1 let's see, the butter, we already did that. Okay, the 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder. So I use this. This is my baking powder, and it's going to be 1 teaspoon. One teaspoon of baking soda. I use Arm & Hammer. One teaspoon of salt. We're also going to be adding 2 eggs. Let's see, do I put the eggs in now? Banana. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna melt the butter real quick. Okay, here's the melted butter. So we're gonna add that in. Two eggs. Let me wash my hands real quick. And we're going to put this, I don't measure. This is just plain ground cinnamon. And I am just going to put it in the mixture as I see fit. I just like to have a little bit of cinnamon flavor in my dough. So there's that. And then I need to get my vanilla out of here. Where is my vanilla? I know I just bought some. Somewhere here. Hold on, I gotta find my vanilla. Sorry, guys. Vanilla extract. And I'm going to put a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'll actually put a half a teaspoon because vanilla extract is some good strong stuff. So a little bit of vanilla. Nah, let's go ahead and make it 1. You guys, I tweak my recipes bad. I do it to the flavor that I like. If you want to do it the right way, add a half a teaspoon. If you want to do it my way where you tweak it, add 1 teaspoon. Okay, so the vanilla is done. All right, let's go put this in the sink. And let's go ahead and mix it all up. Here's what it looks like. So right now I'm creating a dough, basically. And it's been long enough for the banana to go in, so I'm gonna grab that. Here is the mixture of the banana and the sugar. I'm just gonna stir the heck out of it. Actually, I think this is only gonna make 1 loaf, so I'm gonna go ahead and put chocolate chips in this loaf and then make another loaf separately for Randy, since he doesn't care for the chocolate chips in it. Okay. Here are the chocolate chips that I use. And put as many as I prefer. There's not a certain amount that I put because it's not called for in the recipe. So I just make it to the area that I like it. The amount that I like it, I should say. And these dark chocolate chips are very low in sugar and calories. So I'm just gonna add a few more. And that should be perfect. Okay, make sure you get everything stirred really, really good. All right, wash my hands again real quick. Okay, now I'm going to use one of your bread pans. Here you go. Spray it with your pan. Or you can also, if you want, you can butter your pan, but I don't butter my pan. I just use my spray. And in she goes. In case anybody's wondering, I love baking. I don't do it much in the summer, obviously, because it's so stinking hot, but I've been craving this so bad, and I bought Reed these bananas, and he didn't eat them. They started going bad, so what do? You make banana bread. When your bananas go bad, you make banana bread. You know, you get lemons, you make lemonade. I get bad bananas, I make banana bread. Yeah. That's what I do. That's what I do. Okay, let's get this in the sink now. Okay, now when I'm talking about tweaking, oops, I made a mess. Oopsie. Clean that up. Talking about tweaking my recipe, my mom never did anything except for just put it in the oven like this and bake it, but we're gonna do something different. I have here, I mixed up a little bit of mixture of cinnamon and Splenda. So I'm just going to sprinkle it on the top because it gives it kind of like a candy coating. When it's done baking, it's kind of almost a chewy, crispy top where the inside is nice and moist, I'm hoping. That's why I put the extra bananas. So lots of cinnamon and Splenda. If you choose not to use Splenda, just use your regular sugar. But you know me, I do my Splenda. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my hands again. No, I don't need to, I'll just use this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm gonna cover the top with tin foil. And that one's not open yet. Hold on, my friends, hold on. I'm covering the top with tin foil for now. Mama's recipe didn't call for this either, but I'm a tweaker, not with drugs, but with my food. And I'm gonna cover this and I'm gonna pop this in the oven for 45 minutes. Let's take you over there. Do you want to see me pop it in the oven? Okay, let's see. Let's show me popping it in the oven. Ah! Okay, here we go. Here she goes in the oven. Try not to burn myself. All right, okay, in the oven for 45 minutes, okay, you guys? You're supposed to, hello, Cam. Hello, Cam. Okay, hello. We're right here. We're right here. Up you go. All right, there we go. So it's in the oven for 45 minutes with the foil over the top so it doesn't burn. Okay, so go ahead and set your timer for 45 minutes. Hello, precious angel. Okay, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 45 minutes, take the top off and cook it an additional 15 minutes, 1 hour total. I would love to show you somebody that's watching me down here. Hello. Let's come in here. Or not. Or whatever. Here she is, right? Where are you, little pumpkin? Where are you, little pumpkin? There you are. Hello. Hello. Okay, you guys, that is cooking with Kim today. Now, a good cook always cleans her kitchen. So while my banana bread is cooking, I'm gonna clean my kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this edition of Cooking with Kim. When the bread's done, I'll bring you back. I'll show you what it looks like, because it's gonna be delicious. So I'll see you in 2 seconds, but actually 1 hour. See you in a few. Okay, and just like that, with the magic of YouTube, our bread is done, I'm hoping. So let's see. Looking good. Here's what it looks like. Fresh out of the oven, nice and hot. Okay, hold on, guys. So there it is, all ready to slice and eat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe you guys can give it a try. Let me know if you do, if you like it. And we're gonna be having this for dinner tonight. For dessert tonight after dinner, or just a slice in the morning. So yeah, everybody have a super wonderful day. Let me know if you give this a try and how you liked it. All right, everybody, see you tomorrow. Stay humble, stay kind. Love you all. Bye.